Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to if you're new. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button or don't. You know, I obviously look a hot mess. If I was you, I wouldn't subscribe either. But today's video is going to be a clean with me. When I show you guys my room, I don't want you to judge me because honestly, I'm a sloppy pig. So I'm going to address these comments before, like, you even comment them. Yes, I am wearing the same shirt and clothes from last vlog because that was, like, literally yesterday and I didn't feel like taking a shower last night. So I'm going to take one after this video. Okay? A lot of people know about my YouTube channel at school now. Please don't judge me. I know this is cringy. Anyways, let me stop procrastinating because I've been procrastinating for a long time. Like, I took a break before I even started. Like, who does that? So I'm giving you guys a warning right now. If you're a clean freak, I advise you to click off this video because I'm not. I'm a sloppy pig. So yeah, that was your warning. Here we go. So this is my room. There's a box that I ordered. Stay tuned for my recent purchases. I will have a lot of boxes to open in there as I told you for my Amazon packages to come. These are actually all clean. I just really hate putting away clothes. I didn't even sleep in my bed last night. I slept in my mom's bed because that's not really dirty. You just gotta... Balloons. I have my birthday vlog, so if you guys still want me to upload my birthday vlog, comment down below because I don't know. It's not that interesting. Here's my desk. I haven't did makeup since like the second week of school and we're like in the 5th or 6th. So, So first we're going to play some tunes. Little confession, I have not listened to Ariana Grande, God is a Woman yet, so here's my first impression. Let's go.
April 5th is National Read a
Just an ad.
Day. When all is said and done, you'll believe God is on my mind.
Okay, let's stop planning actually cleaning because I've did absolutely nothing in the past 20 minutes. So, first we're gonna put away my clothes because I feel like that's just what's making my room look extra junky. So let's do that. So I feel like I should talk because it's really quiet. So please enjoy the soothing elevator music. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark.
Michelle fight for that white gold.
So I just realized that I've actually run out of hangers to hang up all my new shirts. So I think I'm going to go through my closet and I'm going to take out some clothes that I don't want. And you know, a lot of these clothes are brand new and they still have tags on them. So I think that I don't want to donate them. I want to sell them. So this video is actually sponsored by... Just kidding. No company actually wants to sponsor me. But I'm getting away some clothes and they're probably not brand new and don't have tags. So all the clothes are clean. These are the boxes I gotta throw away. These are the clothes that I'm giving away. And like there's my closet. But what's that? Is that a Nike? What? Oh no. No. No.
than failure, cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me.
I decided to take a little bit of break because I'm really tired and I feel like I did a lot of work. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Because when the sun shines, we'll shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend, but I took an oath and stuck it out till the end. Love each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Where she sat, she shined, and where she shined, she sat. You cuss, I cuss, we all cuss for asparagus. How many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? A good cook could cook as much cookies as a cook could cook. As a good cook who could cook cookies. How much ground would a groundhog hog if a groundhog could hog ground? A groundhog would hog all the ground he could hog if a groundhog could hog ground. Why do you cry, Willie? Why do you cry? Why, Willie? Why? Why, Willie? Why? What do you have for breakfast? Rubber balls and liquor? What do you have for lunch? Rubber balls and liquor? What do you have for dinner? Rubber balls and liquor? What do you do when a sister comes home? Rubber balls and liquor? I tried to scare him. Say bye-bye. So, I'm almost done. I just gotta make my bed, so let's do that. Mama shark doo 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 doo. Mama shark doo 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 doo. Mama shark doo 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 doo. Mama shark. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark. Why didn't you guys tell me my camera was blurry? Okay, that box is gonna stay there. Okay, don't judge me. Like that's gonna be for a video, so don't mind that. But look at everything else. Look how clean this is. Like, oh, hold on. Now look how clean this is. Like, what? That's my donation bag. Don't mind that. Look at me. My desk. Got some pajamas again. Don't mind that. Don't mind a lot of things. Apparently I did no cleaning. Well, I know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for my cleaning because I really didn't want to. Sorry about my ratchetness. Sorry about me looking terrible. But yeah, I'm about to go help my mom because that's what we do. We a team around here. We help each other even though she didn't help me. But that's, yeah. Subscribe, unsubscribe. I don't care. Do whatever you want. Peace out. Can you see I missed my camera?